right, moving on to our next presentation here, we have Medirom Healthcare Technologies. They are on the Canadian exchange, ticker MRM, and we have Andrew Barwicki. He's Senior Vice President of Investor Relations. How's it going, Andrew? I see you.
Hello and good morning. And thanks for having me today.
Yeah, we are very excited to have you. I'll let you take it away, sir.
Excellent. Well, just to clarify, we're on the NASDAQ in the U.S. We are under the ticker symbol MRM, but I'm pleased to be here and thank you for participating. First and foremost, my name is Andrew Barwicki. I'm the investor relations person for Medirom. I'd like to take the opportunity and just briefly go over our forward-looking statement or the disclaimer. Obviously, all matters discussed in this presentation, except for historical data or forward-looking statements. Forward-looking statements involve risks and uncertainties that could cause actual results to differ materially from those in the forward-looking statements. These include, but are not limited to, economic conditions, trends in the industry generally, and the timing of the industry cycle specifically. The company issues their press releases on the website and files with the SEC. The company assumes no obligation nor intends to update or revise any forward-looking statements to reflect future developments or circumstances. Medirom is a publicly traded company. Shares are listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol MRM. As of August 2021, Medirom operates 315 salons across Japan, Reiraku being its leading brand, and provides healthcare services. In 2015, Medirom entered the health tech business and launched new healthcare programs using on-demand training app called Lav, which was developed by the company. Medirom also entered the device business in 2020 and is developing a smart tracker. We call it the Mother Tracker. Medirom plans to expand the scope of its business to include data analysis, utilizing the data it has collected since formation of the company. The company was founded in 2020, conducted its initial public offering in 2000. Company was founded in 2000. Company did the public offering in 2020, and has expanded its business through organic growth and strategic acquisitions. The most recent acquisition was announced last week, coincidentally. Prior to that, the company acquired Seiwan, which had 13 salons. So prior acquisitions date back to 2018. So when you combine organic growth and acquisitions, Medirom now has 315 salons. The relaxation salon business is providing the best preventive solutions, which provides holistic and preventive healthcare services. Medirom has built a clientele that had 70,000 customers served in July 2021, which was the largest number ever recorded in a single month. Revenues for the year ended 2020 were $32.4 million. There was a slight decrease. There was about a 14% year-over-year decrease, all of which is due to COVID. COVID had an impact on Medirom business, but management believes we can gain market share and capitalize on the industry, especially upon the continued decline of COVID cases throughout the globe and Japan specifically. The company has expanded its salon business even throughout COVID. For example, in July 2020, 288 salons. In January 2021, 302 salons. As of August, which we recently announced. Yes,
Andrew, real quick, your slides are not scrolling. I see the scroll bar. I think you just need to scroll down with your presentation there.
Oh, let's try to fix that.
It's a very nice logo there, front page and everything. I like looking at this, but I also want to see what you're talking about. It's just like your lead page right now. It says Medirom Healthcare Technologies, and I see a little scroll bar.
The scroll bar is not working here.
What if you hit the arrow keys on your keyboard?
It's not going.
Let's see. It is a PowerPoint presentation in Adobe Reader, if you didn't know. If you can find that one and scroll for that one. If not,
Well,
You won't have the slides, but you're doing a great job. You got a nice voice. You got a nice face to look at, and we got a nice logo here. So,
well, so I'll just continue with the presentation. Obviously, the PowerPoint presentation is it's filed with the SEC. You can go to our website. Like I was saying, the growth in the business continues. So, for example, in July 2020, 288 salons. In January 2021, 302 salons. As of August 31st, which was about a month ago, we had 315 salons. So even with COVID and the negative impact on our top line, we were able to expand. There were opportunities to expand, and in doing so, we anticipate being properly positioned for top line growth in the near and long term. The company generates revenues from various sources, including franchise fees, monthly education, marketing, real estate services, and consulting. One of the company's strengths is our 80% high repeat customer rate. Moreover, our core brand sales per customer in the first half of 2021 was $57.32. The industry standard, according to Yano Research, was $50 per customer. So our high customer repeat, our above average core brand sales per customer is high. Salon locations are strategically located in high traffic areas, such as retail location, metros, subways, malls, and plazas. We've been successful in conducting seasonal promotions, which we believe contribute to higher sales per customer. For example, spring reflexology, summer cooling head spa, autumn bowel care, winter hand care. We also own and operate one of the largest educational schools in Japan. The school's open 7 days a week from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. The school provides over 120 in-depth curriculums that range from techniques to salon management. Professional lecturers specialize in each area of expertise, and to our belief that preparing and educating franchise owners and therapists through our school prepares them for their business and long-term success. We've established a specific health guidance business that is through a government-supported health guidance program. We work with health insurance providers, and we have seen that business succeed as we have partnership with blue-chip corporations and various government bodies. Our app, or Medirom, we have an app called LAV, or LAV. This is a remote weight loss program with ties to benefits from government insurance programs. The app monitors activity, sleep, and weight. This is a wearable device, and in August of 2020, we released LAV to consumers directly. We've partnered with Matrix Industries to develop a self-charging fitness tracker called Mother Tracker. The technology includes Matrix patented technologies with a thermoelectric module and boost. This is a feature-rich and user-friendly device that includes a pedometer, has fitness tracking, pulse and body temperature, monitors sleep patterns, and is waterproof. The target market is hospitals, nursing homes, gyms, logistics and the transportation industry, which can monitor drivers' health and overall retail sales. I would invite everybody to our website. That's medirom.co.jp/en. At the website, you'll be able to get a good understanding of our core business and operations, our relaxation salons, but equally importantly, we provide information regarding the LAV applications, the Mother Tracker. We feel it's important to understand that Medirom's mission and credo, the philosophies that were utilized when starting the company, and now that the company has grown. For example, the Medirom's credo, which is completed by all employees, including part-time workers, consists of 3 major minds: for your mind, professional mind, and human mind. And it contains 14 behavioral guidelines to help us become attractive human resources. Management believes it is important, as the company expands, that the credo be in place in all locations and throughout the mentality. Before I turn it over to questions, I just want to talk about our customers real briefly. Our relaxation salons are designed to appeal to individuals seeking to improve their mental or physical well-being. Our customers include individuals who are health conscious and other individuals seeking stress and pain relief, therapeutic reflexology, or to improve their overall mental and physical health. The majority of our customers are employed females with disposable income, but our demographic mix varies by salon and geography. Our customer base has grown each year with the opening of new salons. We benefit from and rely on the value and recognition of our salons and other brands which drive word of mouth and direct referrals. I would like to thank you all. I'd love for now to answer any questions that you may have.
Awesome, Andrew. Thank you, sir. So a couple quick questions here. We do have a really good question from the audience. I'm going to get to here in one sec. You just teased it a little bit there about going to one of your salons, but like what would I go for? What would I go to one of your salons for? Like, give us the, kind of practical example.
So it's more than just, it's mind and body. When you go, let's say you don't have an injury, sometimes stress, pain relief, obviously the injury, but, just relieving stress, just going into a salon and relaxing, overall mental and physical health. It's one thing if you're in great physical shape and your body is performing well, but the mental part is very important for a nice, relaxing life, and that's something that this company has been so successful, and that's why our repeat customers is at such a high level of 80%.
Sure.
It's because of the people just seeking to relieve stress from their life, and obviously therapeutic reflexology, but obviously pain relief, but it's stress really. It's relieving that.
So do you ever send some of your clients away with homework? Like, do I only get some of the therapeutic advantages from going into the salons, or can you send me away with some education where I can go do some relaxing at home or in a park or whatever? Do you guys do anything like that?
Oh, absolutely. So it's more than just coming in, getting a massage or attacking an injury. For example, let's say your knee hurts. It's also preparing you when you leave the salon. It's kind of getting your mental stage 24 hours a day. So if you're in a salon for, let's just say, 30 minutes, there's 23 and a half more hours. And that's part of the process, is that we we have an education, we have a school, and the school installs into the people all the things that a person, when they leave a salon, how they incorporate that in their lives and their day-to-day lives.
Gotcha. So is that where the device kind of comes into play? The sort of watch looking thing? I mean, is there programs that are running there that help you maintain while you're not actually at the salon?
Yeah. So let's take the lab application. It's weight, controlling your weight, monitoring it, knowing what your heartbeat is, knowing it takes into account your health on a minute by minute basis. And that it installs into your mind the part about being healthy, eating healthy, enjoying what I consider more of a personal thing is knowing that you're healthy makes you work better, makes you communicate better. Absolutely. It allows you an opportunity to just be a better person because if you have an injury, you're attacking the injury. It's just stress relief. So it's really all encompassing, but it is more than just a massage. It's that monitoring your levels, having that mindset where you're relaxed and you're performing at work better.
Awesome. Really good insight. We have a really good question here from the audience. How soon will the Kubishki Kaishi acquisition be accretive to MRM sales? Did I pronounce that close?
Yeah, you did. Actually, very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
I know sometimes it's a little tough. So we just announced that on September 22nd, I believe, a week ago today.
Sure.
So with respect to the numbers, we are a foreign issuer, so we're not required to file our 10Qs yet, but we do issue KPIs. And we do issue, and we're going to do an earnings release at the end of October.
Okay.
With respect to forward-looking regarding that particular acquisition, I want to wait till we release the numbers to disclose exactly when that particular acquisition will be shown.
Absolutely makes sense, Andrew. Okay, sure. That is all I had. This is Andrew Barwicki. He is Senior Vice President, Investor Relations at Medirom Healthcare Technologies. That is NASDAQ ticker MRM.
Thank you so very much.
Yeah, have a good rest of your day, Andrew. We'll see you soon, man.
Okay, bye-bye now.
All right. So let's do a couple of these fun, quick housekeeping things that we'll have to do throughout the day. We get to take a little tiny break from the presentations, and let us do our first Slido question. Let's see. I don't think I'm doing this right though. This isn't right, Nicole? This is questions. Let's see. Here we go. First question for our Slido poll. Remember, you fill the Slido poll out. There is a QR code in the bottom left corner. You fill the questions out. At the end of the day, we are going to be giving away a Benzinga Pro subscription, a year Benzinga Pro subscription. It's like $1,200 value that you're going to be getting for free. All you got to do, scan that QR code for Slido and then answer these questions as we're going through. And I think I can hide my results here because we don't want to see your guys' answers yet. Who are you most excited to hear from today? Jaguar Health. We already had Jaguar Health. Loeb Sciences. I think that one's coming up next. Sorrento Therapeutics. That's ticker SRNE. That's probably going to be a popular one. Briacell or Vivos Therapeutics. Or if one of those is not up here, let's see the ticker. Oh, there's another button. There's another button too. If you select other, go into the YouTube chat and let's see the tickers that you're most excited to hear from today. This is our first question. I think there are 12 questions, so I'm kind of pacing them out. We'll get to them slowly throughout the day. Next question. What are you most excited for today? Is it the live presentations? Is it the panels? Is it the trading education? Or is it the exclusive interviews? And I'm going to hide my results again. And there's probably, hey, that's me. Or is the last one the MC? That's me, Brent. I'm right there. The BSer. Brentser to some of you. Let's do one more question here. We'll do one more question. Are you invested? Are you currently invested in healthcare stocks? And this one, I will keep the results up because I want to see how many people are responding here and what our results are. Do we have a lot of prospective investors in the audience? Do we have a lot of already existing healthcare / biotech / pharma investors in the audience? And it looks like we have a lot of healthcare investors here in the audience. Also, that was 3 questions. We'll get to a bunch more throughout the day. Want to click over here. Let's go to the agenda. I'm going to click over to the agenda. Let's see where we're at as far as our agenda goes. And I'll give a quick little preview. And also, let's take a look at the other track. Spencer is over. He's like over that away. There's another little room at BZHQ that has a nice production setup. And Spencer's in there. Maybe I'll go like bomb him or something later. There's probably like a Nerf gun somewhere around here. I'll go bomb them with some Nerf darts or something like that. So coming up next, we are going to welcome him on in just a second. Here is going to be Philip Young at Loeb Sciences. After that, Inspire Technologies, Namira Medical, Sorrento Therapeutics. This is one that I bet some people are excited about. This one's coming up at 11:30 a.m. Eastern time. That is, looking down at my clock, that is about 1 hour from now. After that, Lantern Pharma, Dyadic International, just afternoon. And then that's as far as I'll go for right now. We'll kind of like leave for a little lunch break. Not really. We won't really leave for a lunch break, but I'll keep the preview tight there, and we will. Let's see. I think we're ready to go for our next presenter. I just want to get excited about our Benzinga events a little bit more here. I was looking at this page as we were starting the event. This is benzinga.com/events. This is where you can see all of the upcoming Benzinga events. I go to this website like on a every other week basis. Usually I'll hear about the events that are upcoming from Benzinga because I'm inside of Benzinga, but sometimes I don't. And I'll go to this website maybe every couple weeks because we are just announcing so many new events all the time that I'm like, can't keep up to pace. So I would encourage everyone to go to this website, scroll through here a bit. We are having our first in-person conference. Is it next week already? That's in 2 weeks. Is it next week? Oh my gosh. It is in 2 weeks. It is in 2 weeks, ladies and gentlemen. The Cannabis Capital Conference, that's going to be in New York, but you can also tune in virtually.